Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. Now today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tuna sandwich with mayo and mustard. Okay? Alright, these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some garlic and you're going to need some black pepper. You're going to need some rye bread or any type of bread that you want. Okay, this is what I'm going with. I got one stalk of celery, and I have like 4 or 5 green onions right here. All right. And this is about, I don't know, about 4 tablespoons of Mayo, HELLMAN'S, and this is my mustard. I have about 4 eggs up in here. Alright, so first thing first, what we're going to have to do, these cans of tuna, these are chicken of the sea, and they the one with the water in it. And first thing we got to do, we got to squeeze all that water out of there. Okay, so I'm going to show you one can that I will do on camera for you guys. I know you'd be like, man, he never showed me how to squeeze the tuna. So it's very easy to do. You just gotta make sure you wash your hands. This is about 1 pound of tuna. I like a lot of meat in mine. See all that water? You don't want all that water in your tuna. And I will suggest, if you have like a grocery sack or a bag or something like that, make sure you put your tuna fish cans, your empty cans and stuff in there, because it will make your house smell like tuna. Okay, so what I normally do is I'll take this and I like squeeze it, you know. Let me see if I can use one of these cans right here. It's gonna fill up all this can, but you know, I just try to get most of it out like this. Just like so. And let me see if I can show you like that. You see it still got plenty of water in there. I try to squeeze mine dry as possible. So you just go like this, guys. But just typically how I normally do mine, I just come in there and grab me a fistful of it, like so. And I run my hot water or whatever, and I'll just squeeze it. Just like that. So I don't normally do this on the table, but I just squeeze it and squeeze it till I can't squeeze that much juice out of there, because you don't want no soggy tuna salad. Alright, so that's how I do it. And you can see by this one can right here, all this juice in here. Okay, so you don't want that in there, guys. Alright, so make sure you squeeze your tuna. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off the camera, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my tuna. It's dry. It's possibly as dry as possible right there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start chopping. No, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our garlic, okay, 1/4 teaspoon. Alright, now you guys know I like black pepper. I ain't gonna even lie, so I'm gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of that black pepper in there. Alright. There you go. We got that in there. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna come in with your celery. Chop some of that off. I will do the ends. Then I'm gonna slice it. Make sure it's washed off, guys. Just try to slice as thin as you can. Alright. We're gonna come in here and chop it. Try to chop it thin as you can. fine as you can. We do want a little crunch, but we don't want a whole bunch of crunches. And when you make your tuna fish like this, guys, I guarantee you, everybody will love it. Now you see how small that celery is? Alright guys, that's the celery in there, right there. We're going to come in here and come with these onions. Now if people don't eat onions, remember like I said, you can use the granulated onion, okay? And that's what I should have did, but I'm not. Because I don't care if they want some or not. Because guess what? I will eat all this tuna by myself in a matter of a few days. So we just want to chop these up. So yeah, that's all you're doing. Alright. Got down to the end. And that's it. Those are onions. And I promise you, if you make this tuna salad the way I'm making it, and your family love tuna salad, guaranteed, they will love you for a long time. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and come in here with this, matter of fact, I'm going to just mix this up in here, because I want the salt, not salt, but the pepper and the garlic sitting in one spot. Alright, we're going to come in here with this HELLMAN'S. It's about 4 tablespoons of that. I'm going to put this mustard on here. We're going to come with 2 of those tablespoons. Alright. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. Just going to mix that together. And this tuna fish would stay at least for about good, 3 days, 3 or 4 days, without you seeing any water in it. Alright, let me go ahead and do my eggs. So this is how I do my eggs. I just come like this. Be careful if you using a knife and you not know how to use one. Just be careful, guys. And just chop like this. That's all I do. I did cook these eggs yesterday. But yeah, that's all you're doing. We may need some more Mayo. A lot of meat and a lot of eggs. I don't know why, but it just tastes great. Really good like that to me. Now, some people put like relish and all that stuff in there. I do too as well. But for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you how to make the best tuna sandwich with Mayo and mustard. Alright, so we're going to have to put some more Mayo in here, guys. And some more mustard. But some people overdo it with the Mayo. Some people do. Some don't. I'm one of them that don't like to overdo it because I want like a mayonnaise sandwich. So, alright guys, let me show you this real quick. And I'll show you the sandwich when we get done. That's how the tuna fish look. And I guarantee you it tastes real good. Off the chain. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up this, put this on the bread, and I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this tuna sandwich using Mayo and mustard. Alright, the best tuna sandwich using Mayo and mustard. Show you guys how that looks up close. How that look. I just put lettuce and tomatoes on mine. That's all. If you want to put some on yours, you can. And that's all I did to mine. Alright? So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. And please share it. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell over here. That's right. Hit this bell. Just like that. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.